channel. YouTube.
That is this.
The baddest.
Wait, because why didn't you Why didn't you
Your big ass need the fucking fattest bitch. Thank you.
Oh my god, it's me and Jen. I'm not.
Anyway,
I was totally always the
that's
part of group one.
respect.
It's not like I
anyway, can y'all hear the battle? Can y'all hear me?
No.
Yeah,
we don't
hear
have
that.
Oh.
I'm gonna be your man, bitch. Keep yourself, fat ass.
Right,
Your man.
Anyways,
It's
I
so
look
loud.
so
You guys, my outfit looks real good.
I know,
Yeah,
right?
you look
Aren't
so
you
pretty.
beautiful?
You, Evan, move your fat.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, tell me why I already won. I already won.
Fetty. So, Jay, you're going home. Period.
I'm going home. Thank you.
I'm so dead
Even when
going home.
already-
Stop.
I'm living for that, y'all. I'm living for that. Please. Please.
I mean, if you
Oh,
piss off
Evan,
target
are
me
you
again,
gay?
like I'm not even I joking. won.
Anyways, I won. Thank you guys.
Evan, like I'm not
Oh
even
my
joking.
God.
You are in my way.
It's still I can't see.
Hello, let me move.
Fine, still get your big body on somewhere.
Right, Phil, you're being so big.
You gotta be your mom's fucking big bitch.
Janelle, I can't see, girl. What you doing?
Girl, don't remember to make the fucking belly, bitch.
Oh.
please don't want to
I just popped y'all. I just popped y'all.
Oh my god, I'm finna kill
Yes,
That
myself.
was my first challenge.
I'm stepping on the floor. Someone help me. Help. Help me out.
Oh, you have to be kidding me. I lagged.
Am I starting the wall?
This is so rigged. There was nothing right there, guys.
Period.
I jumped and I jumped. Hello, be quiet.
Why y'all trying to suck at this?
Oh, the pretty
Is that Serena? I'm gonna go ahead. It's
God.
Literally. That was literally.
What is your age?
maybe.
Where? Reese the baddie 1, 2, 7, 3.
You sound like you're being fishy, bitch.
Hold on. I'm sorry. What? Hold on.
Yeah, because I'm on.
Oh.
Oh, I see the dog.
This is so ghetto. What? Hold on. I don't know. Who should we go?
Right. Let me vote Evan.
No, I'm the cameraman. Right?
Yeah.
Wait, am I recording? Okay, yeah, I am. Never mind.
Oh my
Dun,
God.
dun.
Let me vote.
My
Evan.
face is glitching.
No, don't
Hello?
vote me. Don't vote me. Don't vote me.
I'm voting you, Evan.
Come on, Peachy's era. Get voted in first.
Girl, goodbye. You look crazy.
What you going?
Don't be me.
Blow the kid.
I'm getting.
Oh! Oh!
Hello?
What?
Ooh, looks around.
Gag.
Oh,
why
this
did I
is
have-
gay.
Why isn't I
You all need to
Sorry.
kill yourself. Thank you. Thank you.
Jay, you about to go home first.
I already know I'm about to go home because y'all are literally so fake. Like I literally just got here. What?
Yo, girl, who voted? I voted Q. Why is she lagging? Why is
What'd you
Y'all
say?
are so weird.
What'd you say?
Evan, go. Cupid, how do you feel about that?
I voted Q.
Y'all are so weird. Y'all are literally so weird.
Oh, this.
Anyway, so let me just
Wait,
go
who
ahead and let me
voted
just
Jay?
read
That's
people
fucked
who I know
up.
for a fact voted me. Evan, baby, your mama is dead.
I
and
didn't vote you,
like-
baby. I didn't vote you.
We should have voted Evan.
Your auntie touches dogs, so you need to go sit down somewhere.
Okay, Jay, baby, calm down, baby.
Last
Jay,
night,
Jay, classy.
no, I'm not keeping nothing classy. I don't believe in classy. Thank you.
Oh, now Jay.
Come back.
Jenna went away from me, okay?
Please come back. It's so lonely.
Where are you going? Don't run away from me, Julius. Come here.
I wanna leave.
This girl is on fire.
Come here.
Y'all, this
Oh, we can't remember. We can't say slurs here. Y'all remember? Don't think you.
Nigga.
Cut that out. Cut that out. Cut that out. Oh wait. No, I'm sorry. No, I'm so mad that they fixed this. Like whoever.
Cause Jay,
when I'm not
cause
on.
now Jay, girl, you suck.
No, cause y'all
I
are
was
literally
the
so
first
fake.
boo.
And it's, you know what? I feel like you voted me too. So you know what, nigga? I'm gonna just go ahead and block you.
Oh,
No, what you
Why is
mean?
the leg falling off my body? Hello?
Nigga.
This funk ass penalty, baby. This funk ass penalty.
This is so
No.
weird.
Right, baby. Yeah. I mean, hey, I hate this challenge anyway, so.
I'm still mad to fix this. And I'll show you, like.
I remember when you pull out a flick at the end.
Right.
I wonder why I hate block pushes.
I was hacking in this. We're not hacking, but you.
Oh, y'all heard that she hacks in this game? She knew.
Ooh, of course.
No, I didn't do that. I didn't do that. No, stop trying to be funny. I didn't do that.
They're very fruitful. Nothing about it.
No, baby. Okay, well, which, what am I like?
No, I was right at the end. You're joking.
Oh.
I'm doing this for quality for y'all. Right.
God.
Oh, and Jay, y'all. And Jay, right.
Never thinking.
Even though I voted her in, but hey.
Oh, you.
I'm joking. I know Evan voted you in.
That's how I voted. Evan told me who to vote. So. Jesus Christ. Hello. I don't know what Jay. I don't know actually either. I voted Q.
And this.
I'm at the end. Like at
I
the
voted
end.
Janelle, so I don't know why
Wait,
y'all
am I gonna
are
split
gagging.
it?
Oh. Baby, you don't deserve to be here.
I finished the block push.
Wait, Cupid, you won?
No, I just finished the little rope line thing of the block push. I just finished that. Yes.
Oh, baby, you won.
Oh, I gave up. Can someone win? No.
Right.
No, we
Cupid, hurry
Come
up.
on. Yes.
Pick me. Alright, bitch.
Bro, man. Heavy on it.
People who are cute.
Oh
don't
my
win.
god.
Is there
Wait, who won? Cupid.
Why is there a call these things?
Is this Karina? Can't be thing? Hello.
No, because
Yeah,
y'all
I
didn't even block.
Where does Kitty's tail come from?
Wait, oh, Kitty, you're okay. Kitty, you're a furry. Oh, she is. Look at her. Oh, not too much on the queen.
I would click Evan.
So Reese is a baddie.
No, listen, fat neck ass, black ass fucking bitch. Bitch, please stop with the time. Bitch, you don't fuck that bitch.
Get him down.
I'm gonna have a mental breakdown. I got voted in last time. Like I got the most votes, so. Don't kill yourself.
Please don't make me. Okay.
Period, bitch.
Okay.
Had the shears?
Chewed underscore breathing.
Evan, that's what your black ass deserve, bitch.
I didn't vote you, Jay. Swear. Yes.
It's alright. That's why you going home anyway, so I'm not worried about it.
I'm not going home.
What the
I'm
not going over
Yeah, I gotta use the bathroom.
Evan, you're saying that, girl. Go home against Lost.
Whatever your name
A little
is.
embarrassed, bitch.
Ooh,
I lost.
Look at him.
She gagged you.
Lost you.
Thank you.
I think the actual we should go for is this one. Anyways, also Jay and Lost, can y'all say your outfits? Thank you. Oh my god.
Hey, Evan, are you gonna take the move?
We basically like.
Oh.
Not them trying to break this for Evan, baby. Not
He's gonna break the ice. He's gonna break the ice. Anyways, wait, this don't.
Ooh, why does
I forget Kitty always wears that bunny
time. Yo, why? Tell me why there's a big ass bug right in front of me. But I want to do this challenge. Oh my god. Yo, I'm actually so scared. There's a big ass. Yo, there's this big ass bug right in front of me, but I'm trying to do this challenge.
Wait, Janelle's in front of you?
Penalty holds you. Oh.
Yeah, Janelle's in front of me, baby.
Oh my god, yes.
Excuse me, gag.
Oh my gosh, bitch. You're so fucking serious. Anyway, let me kill this damn bug.
Goomba, did you?
On the last jump,
You're
that's some bullshit. Bitch, I'm
joking.
feeling myself tomorrow.
I'm calling bullshit on that.
Guess you finish first. You thought you to get better.
Give me the roommate.
Come on, Goomba, win so we can pop them.
Try.
Okay, I was in the lead. What's going on? Why am I about to get sent?
If you guys get to the wall, just
No, positive, period. These the roommates.
Looks around. Cupid, your name was sent to me, so I'm voting you.
Oh. Well, y'all just wanna.
If you go in, I'm giving you a chance. I'm voting the same person I've been voting every single time, and they still have not.
If you're voting Kitty, I'll literally dox your address.
Oh.
Where's my Kitty? Well, I can't vote them now. Looks at Goomba.
Bitch block.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay, never mind. No.
Every time Divine says my name, I always go in.
My girl. Why is she about to go home?
Okay, Foxy, it looks like I said. It looks like I voted you after you said that, but I didn't, girl. I voted for
My
you.
cabinet, stop this. Now that's my cabinet.
I voted.
Why'd y'all vote my cabinet? Stop.
I told you I'm
Okay,
coming
so
for that
Foxy, I think
cabinet.
you should let me stay in because, like, I just need it. You know?
We're right here, and that's me. So back up, bitch.
I feel like I deserve the spotlight.
You're a man. Don't talk to me.
Ooh.
Baby, what are you?
Cupid.
I'm aware.
Kill yourself.
That is embarrassing.
Oh, that's cute. Well, Cupid, you're so pretty. You're a front runner, though.
True.
No, I'm not winning.
What? Okay, I was about to say, what the fuck was a damn ground?
Why is it Obby King now? Hello?
Okay, because I'm going to this. Baby, I'm going to this.
No, I love this shit.
Oh, I just realized Estelle has that kawaii face on.
Right, I'm scared.
You didn't realize that?
Kitty, she's trying to come for your brand.
Okay, like, Kitty, you have nothing on me. Kitty, you have nothing on me, baby.
Why can't I move? Oh, I forgot. I'm not used to winning in this game. Hugs, Goomba, because we're not winning.
Hugs because we're not about to win this challenge.
Oh my gosh, this is taking forever. How long are we stuck here?
For real. Okay.
15 seconds is crazy.
Right, now let's know.
Oh, what? I walked off.
I'm kind of mad because I low-key probably could have won this.
God.
You can jump on this one, Goomba, straight out from the other
I
side.
What's going on?
You won an elimination this round. What have you won so far?
Elimination.
Oh yeah, you did kind of pop. I forgot. Everyone who's won an elimination kind of like stomped the person they were.
Yes, bitches.
Don't fall.
Yes, bitches.
Don't fall, bitch.
This
game is so
Oh.
ghetto.
Keep it real. I'm voting Foxy because your name was thrown to me.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, at least it's not me.
True.
Right, baby.
Stay safe. Stay safe.
Stay
safe, y'all.
Well,
Evan, I have a question.
no shade.
You know that fat bitch named Stacy? I hate her. We need to vote her out.
Not Foxy getting called out and still not getting the most votes.
That's weird. Oh, well, this is. If I go home, I swear to God.
Well, I'm just gonna say this. Someone did throw Evan's name, and I had to make sure Evan could beat somebody. So. Evan, if you lose and disappoint me, I'm literally gonna dox you and your dead mother.
This game.
Bitch, you have a comp about it. What do you mean you don't like this game?
Hello, I just love when you comp in a game. You're like, I don't like this game.
Oh, okay.
Right, baby. Like, baby, it's your comp, fat ass nigga. Ooh.
Girl, why pick a comp
Oh,
about
I've been kind of A with that flick.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Well, they're home. Oh, come on, Evan, send her happy for the girls.
No, I'm like stressing out because I don't play.
Come on, Foxy, I've been rooting for you.
Why am I about to get that?
Never mind, Evan.
I'm sorry. Why y'all stand still and watch your fate get sealed? Like, don't do that, baby.
Literally, don't do that.
I don't care. I don't like this one.
Ooh. Okay, what you got again? What you got again now?
Oh my god.
Period.
Oh,
Sorry,
Bro,
I'm just sorry, Foxy.
Evan and somebody else.
I was stressing. I was stressing.
So my academy gets sent home and I'm like, oh my god.
Well, oh, not the
Hi, girl.
not the die. What's going on? Oh my god, this one is a.
Oh.
Ew.
Evan, do you want to look together?
Yes,
Wait, how do you-
we should.
Janelle, do you want to look together?
Oh,
Sure, of course.
Estelle, you want to come with us?
of course. Once I'm able to move.
I think we all need to work together to make sure those two over there don't win.
Of course.
See how they sectioned out the real black people from the other,
Estelle's literally black.
Yeah,
Stop
but
trying
she-
to erase
What are
her
you looking
culture.
for? I can't move. Oh, I forgot.
Wait, what are you supposed to do?
You're right, Amelia. I
You
forgot.
have to like, I don't know what it looks like.
yeah.
I'm ready to win.
What are you looking for? I forgot.
That? Oh no.
No, it's not that.
What the fuck?
It's like the
What the hell are you
Oh, I
looking
found
for?
it. Oh.
No!
Kidding.
You know, found it last second. Why did Kitty gag?
Yes, get it.
Oh. So I see him going up.
Kitty.
I was single.
So I see me going up.
No.
Oh, if I
I'm dead.
Oh, they're good. I don't know. Now I'm just gonna pick.
You're literally going against like 6 fucking
Let's
good
see.
players.
Right.
Ooh.
That's not cute. That's not cute.
Oh, Amelia, hello. Why did you get the most? Okay, let's. Ooh!
I'm gonna go home.
Oh.
She's not going in.
I'm about to go home.
Eight.
My roommate.
No, Beatrice.
What am I missing?
It was nice knowing y'all.
This is not okay.
Janelle.
Ew, it's raw jumps.
Anyway, send her home.
Janelle, because she just got sent home.
Anyway, Janelle, send her home. Thank you.
Oh.
Oh,
Alright,
so.
Watch her come, if she come back.
No, watch.
Right, baby. Watch her come back.
Oh.
She ain't coming back. She ain't coming back. She ain't coming back.
That's not cute.
Girl, sorry, but I can't go home yet.
Janelle kind of gagged her.
So, Janelle's crushing gals in the limbs and I'm like, period.
Well, no shade. Janelle hasn't even won against comp yet. Like, I love my girl. We
I'm sorry. That's the talk about in this game.
And that's without her.
I can talk and eliminate.
How do I believe you? How do I?
Why?
There's no way I just.
Why would I give you
I
Jin
feel
if I didn't want you?
Oh, I
like,
fell at the
play?
fuck. I'm gonna kill myself tomorrow, and it's not even fucking funny. Like, that's so fucking weird.
You honestly should.
Please don't kill
And
yourself.
then, you're not fucking funny,
Fine.
bitch.
I'm part of this suicide.
Wins again because
Oh
who's
my
better than me?
god.
No, wait, Bella. Fuck.
Well, that's
Shut up, daddy.
Oh my god.
What was it just?
You know, last jump out.
Wait, never mind. I'm kidding. Evan, I love you so much. You're so amazing.
I know, I
I'm struggling.
Okay, don't be rude. Just say thank you.
Wait, I'm about to win. Oh
Yeah,
my
you
god,
won.
yeah! Okay, so sorry, Zaza, you gotta go.
Fuck you.
There
Okay,
she
okay,
goes.
okay, yeah, Goomba. Okay, yes, Goomba, yes, Goomba.
Goomba.
Oh,
My
I mean,
bad,
I mean, yes, Divine.
Evan, Kitty housing.
You and I.
You and I, yar.
No, why is this not happening, guys? No.
Goomba come
Oh my gosh, it's me and Kitty.
Who voted Kitty?
Not me.
Not me.
I voted Kitty every single round, so I got eliminated.
I know Goomba voted Kitty.
Yeah, I voted Kitty, girl. I knew I was going up, so I just put someone that y'all said was gonna lose. Love you, Kitty.
Now if Kitty beats you, I'm gonna be.
No, Kitty will probably beat me, but I hate this game. But like, y'all kept saying that she was gonna lose if she goes in, so like.
Thank God I didn't get this one. I don't like
yeah,
it.
but when she's gone, who are you beating?
Oh,
I'm sorry. Take your time. Other side. Yeah, Kitty, take your time though.
Kitty, yeah.
I can't see you, though.
They have to be on mobile or something because this is not.
I am.
Yeah, Kitty plays on phone, so.
This is easy on phone though. Like what?
Kitty.
Y'all better stop yelling at the queen.
Oh, Kitty.
Meow meow.
Right.
Well, at least Goomba's still in the game, so now I can beat her.
Okay.
No.
Let's know the. You vote who I said we were voting, or
After
did you
so many
lie?
rounds, she got
I'm sorry.
Not Kitty, no.
Never meant to break down.
I did.
I have yet to win an
Okay. How about it?
I don't.
It's so easy. It's a little like
I don't know how many days. Like I just have to go.
Oh.
I don't know.
He's supposed to wait.
Evan, where are you trying to run to?
I don't know.
Oh my God, this is killing me. Come on, bitch. Let's go.
There's like a way that you have to push your ball. Yes.
There's a will, there's a way. Oh fuck, it got
You
stuck.
shot a good ball, so
Evan.
that makes sense.
Why are you telling people how to touch their balls, girl? Mind your business.
Oh,
some of
Evan's
us don't,
weird.
you
Let's
know.
dox her.
Yeah, of course it's the FAGGOTs.
The what?
Oh! That's
Oh, it's only one person who won, cries.
Yes.
What? I literally made it.
So
Shakes my bum bum.
Put it down.
anyways, why did I spell it like that?
Take mine too.
You and I.
Yori and I.
You and I. Sorry, I just kind of got a little emotional there.
That's how Evan told me to vote you.
Oh, that's cute because he's not.
Divine.
He's not
Divine
winning.
on my name. Okay, that's okay.
He's not winning, so.
This isn't okay.
Divine, why are you lying?
Oh,
Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh my god.
Evan knows better, and plus he knows he's not winning his own comp. Please.
You and
I mean, I'll get second place, but I don't.
Get a grip, nigga.
Wait, how many people are there? 6?
Lorena didn't get teleported.
Yeah, sick.
Oh.
Are you kidding me?
Ow.
You're gonna
Bring her
you're
back
gonna
for all stars.
Oh my god.
No, you're gonna do this to me. Oh my god.
That's so unfair. Reina would have won. Oh yeah.
Oh wait!
Go.
Oh, wait, no wait, Serenity,
That's so unfair.
I'm gonna kill myself.
no
Okay,
one.
Y'all better bring that girl back for all stars or something. But
Right, hello?
Yeah.
Rena, I'm so
She won the
sorry.
first 2 dailies too. Let's talk about it. She got.
Right, she won the first 2 dailies too, no shit.
I'm gonna slip my wrist, y'all.
I know Goomba's sharing because she was fighting for her life.
Right.
oh no.
Sees me win a regular daily and 2 limbs, like big purr.
No.
I'm not even on my account right now.
Oh,
Does that mean I can leave the game?
y'all want to throw? That'd be so cute.
Oh no, baby, that's not
Not your
happening.
Well, girl, I don't want to go
God.
up again. Like, I'm about to get fit. Like,
No,
If
poor
you don't
Goomba.
vote you.
oh, okay.
I have someone else with
Ooh, okay.
looks at her beside me.
Is Evan the top?
Oh,
Oh, it's not Evan, it's Janelle.
Oh.
what it is.
Evan, what
Is that
you
still
lemon?
Foxy? Girl, what are you doing?
Right, baby, go on mute. I mean,
Talking to you.
Evan, wait for me, my sister.
Oh, what? You spawn, Janelle, you suck. I mean, you spawned all the way back at
Literally leave me alone, hello. I had to stay bad, like.
My daily.
Baby, no, girl.
I'm not doing this.
I'm not trying to go up, but I'm not trying to go up, period, so.
Who said you're going
up? You look crazy.
Yeah, for real.
Why can't I do
I don't.
So who y'all want to
Hey guys, you win. Yeah. Anyways, who said that? Also, Gonyo, thank you.
Yeah, me, bro.
I got y'all top 5. Ooh, I mean, I'm in the top 4, and it doesn't really matter, but.
Who said you want the top 4 votes for Evan?
Oh. Okay, so now y'all want to be
I was
shady.
playing. I didn't actually vote for you, stop. I was expecting to go up.
I think I'm about to go home or something.
Good night,
No,
Evan.
you're winning. I'm not good at this game like that. But you're weird.
I didn't vote you.
Because... Y'all are weird.
It wasn't me.
This one is really stupid.
I don't know what this one is.
No, it really lags. I don't like this.
It's lava spinner.
Okay, Divine, all you gotta do is just jump over. Just jump over the thing.
Oh, how are y'all gonna help her but not me? Like,
I mean, girl,
Divine doesn't play the
You're trying to do it, hello.
It's the same thing. You can hear it. Ooh. Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
I'm not
Lord. It's
winning
already
that.
going.
I touched.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Ooh!
I think I lost. I touched
Evan,
that.
you get-
Oh my
Evan,
god!
get
I
out.
not me going. Divine, you
Divine.
Bye.
Divine, I actually.
Bro,
You
thank you.
say bye, but at the end of the day, at least I'm not some bum Discord gangster.
Oh.
Evan.
Goodbye. It's the.
Bye.
But you're annoying! You're so annoying, bro! You're so annoying!
Top 3.
You are actually so annoying!
How are you doing today?
Oh.
Go.
Oh my god.
Wait, stop trying to act black.
Okay. In my defense, my avatar might be white, but I am black. So you look confused.
Don't know that.
You don't know that, baby. How do I not know? It's okay. See you next slot.
Baby, as you disconnected.
Who?
Oh.
The battery?
Well, she was probably gonna get sent in anyways.
I got disconnected. She's so happy that in.
Oh. That's a good. So he's disconnected. What?
Yeah, it kicked me out. Bro, I'm gonna be an all-star, daddy. I ran this. I was playing.
Maybe.
It's about ours.
She ran this game, y'all. Quotation marks, something like this.
Oh.
No, watch her.
Every time you went in was because of me.
Oh, okay. Wait, why did I go against Evan?
You went in with Evan because
Look at the divine. Did she say it, girl?
Right. That's
No, what annoys me is why the
me.
Girl, Foxy, stop trying to talk, girl. You keep going into like a muffled thing.
Yes, Mike.
I'm trying to win, girl, because you're getting third boot. I'm in third place.
Anyways,
Whoops.
wait. Should I throw?
Okay.
Did anyone? Y'all are still.
They're trash. Evan just win.
I just.
No.
Why is?
fucking did it. Period.
No, at home. No, I'm sorry, but you're going in.
Ooh, twerks it, twerks.
Please, sir, I'm begging you. I'll literally be nice to you for the entire, like, literally for like, as long as you want, please.
Okay, fine. Okay.
As long as he walks, girl, he doesn't walk.
Right, I don't walk. Sorry. So.
He kind of like rolls around. In his
Oh, you think okay, I'm about to take that finale role. You look crazy.
I'm playing.
Hamster ball. Hamster ball.
Hamster. Girl, what is she saying?
He was thinking about animals, girl. Don't worry.
Yeah, I thought Evan was throwing.
I'm sorry, Jenna, out the window. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall.
Ooh. Ooh.
Why is she? Why was she right? Why was she?
Jenna was lagging bad.
Why is she lagging so badly?
Me and Jenna just kind of.
Well, I love y'all.
Oh my god, Jenna, we kind of ate. Oh.
Bye, y'all.
Brother.
Lost, leave the game.
I fucking did.
Oh, wait, I'm initially leave. Oh, never mind.
It took you like 5 minutes, girl. So Evan, now what?
I don't know.
Wait, whoever wins this wins, or are we waiting for?
No, y'all eliminate Evan, then do the finale.
I mean, actually, do y'all want to do this as the final?
I think we should do finale.
Final.
Okay.
Unless I win this,
I
then
mean,
I think
unless
we
they break to the final two again, I guess they can matter to this. But
Yeah, unless the game breaks again, yeah, this will count as the finale unless it actually goes to the finale. So
yeah, so let's hope Goomba wins and it breaks.
Janelle is kind of lagging, baby. Alright, so
Who's banking the controller right now?
Janelle, this is where I fell last time, girl. So let's do finale.
hello.
Oh.
I hate that jump. I did it the wrong way.
Wait, Janelle, did you fall?
Yes.
Oh, let's do Bailey.
Oh.
I'm playing. Oh, I think we should really do finale though if it works. So period. I keep saying big purr like I'm a fucking furry. Like ill. Never. Hey Evan. Oh my god.
What was that? He said hot.
oh
Oh, you keep going up after that?
no way.
Yes.
Evan,
Girl, I'm tired. I didn't know.
girl, did you look at my DMs and can you respond,
Later.
please?
I said later. I'm recording.
Um,
Are y'all stuck? Oh,
I literally made it. Oh no, I didn't.
Janelle.
Leave me alone. I'm not a girl. I made it obvious.
How are you letting a mobile person beat you?
Okay, so let this finale.
The same.
Hey the winner, Goomba, the runner, Janelle.
Hello. Oh, bitch, you're not gonna let me have my moment?
Alright. So Goomba, how do you feel about winning? Okay, Janelle, how do you feel about losing?
Oh.
I popped 3 little faggots and eliminated. I meant 3 little.
True.
So I don't care.
Anyways, y'all, this was group 1. Bye.